Hello students, Standard 6th, the chapter number 12, Ratio and Proportion. Now, in the last sessions, we learn about the ratio. We know that the ratio is a comparison of two quantities by division, so that the comparison is by how many times, and we saw that how to denote the ratio, how to find the ratios, and most important thing to remember is that when we find the ratio, both the quantities must be in the same units, must be of the same type. Otherwise, it is not possible to find the ratio between that two quantities. Let us start exercise 12.1. Question 1 is, there are 20 girls and 15 boys. In a class. Now we have to find two things. First, A. What is the ratio of number of girls to the number of boys? And second thing is, what is the ratio of number of girls to the total number of students in the class? So now, before we start finding the ratio, let us find out the total number of students in the class. So there are 20 girls and 15 boys in class. So total number of students is equal to 20 plus 15, that is 35. So now first we have to find the ratio of number of girls to the number of boys. Ratio of number of girls to the number of boys is equal to, so now 20 and 15, so that is 20 is to 15, which you can write down as 20 upon 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15, so is equal to 4 upon 3, that can be written as 4 is to 3. Similarly, in the B, we have to find the ratio of number of girls to the total number of students in the class. So ratio of number of girls to the total number of students in the class. So girls are 20 and total students are 35. So 5 we can write down as 20 is to 35, that is 20 upon 35. 5 4s are 20, 5 7s are 35. So 4 upon 7, that is 4 is to 7. So it is very simple. Now question number 2. Out of 30 students in a class, six like football and 12 like cricket. And remaining like tennis. So now we have to find the different ratios. But first of all, we will find out the number of students who like tennis. So 30 students, total 30 students. From which 6 like football and 12 like cricket. So number of students like tennis is equal to 30 minus 6 plus 12. That is 30 minus 18. So there is 12. So 12 students like tennis. Now we will take first question. Find the ratio of number of students liking football to the number of students liking tennis to number of students liking tennis. So that is equal to, so now football, how many likes football? 6. So that is 6 is to tennis, 12. That is 6 upon 12, 6 ones are, 6 twos are. That is 1 upon 2. So it is equal to 1 is to 2. And second, we have to find the ratio of number of students. The ratio of number of students liking cricket to the number of students the total number of students. Total number of students. So cricket, 12 likes cricket. and total number is 30. So 12 is to 30. So you can write down as 12 upon 30. Then 6 2s are 12, 6 5s are 30. So 2 upon 5, so ratio is 2 is to 5. So if you know the situation, it is easy to find out the ratio like this. Now third question. See the figure. And find the ratio. Find the ratio. Now, first we will look at the figure. In a rectangle, there is one triangle here, a circle is there, a square is there, another triangle is there, another small square is there, another triangle is there, and another circle is there. So now here, number of triangles is equal to 1, 2 and 3. Number of squares are 2 and circles also 2. So total number of figures is 3 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 7. Now we will read 3 questions one by one and try to give the answers first. Find the ratio of triangle to the number of triangles to the number of circles inside the rectangle. So now ratio of number of triangles are 3 is to number of circles are 2. Now we can see that they are in the simplest form, so we need not do the simplification. So that will be the answer. B. Find the ratio of, or you can directly write down the ratio of. Don't need to write down the question. The ratio of squares to all the figures, squares to all the figures inside the rectangle. So we know that squares, how many squares are there? 2 is 2. How many total figures are 7? So here also nothing to simplify, so that is the answer. Third, the ratio of number of circles to all the figures inside the rectangle. So now circles are also only 2. Total figures are 7. So that ratio is also 2:7. Now question number 4. Distance travelled by Hamid and Akhtar in 1 hour. In 1 hour are 9 kilometer and 12 kilometer. 9 kilometer and 12 kilometer. Find the ratio of speed of Hamid to the speed of Akhtar. So now speed of Hamid is equal to 9 kilometer per hour and that of Akhtar is 12 kilometer per hour. So now the ratio of speed of Hamid to the speed of Akhtar is equal to 9 kilometer per hour upon 12 kilometer per hour. We have to take as ratio, so 9:12. So we can write down as 9 upon 12. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. There is 3 upon 4, which we can write down as 3:4. So by this method we can find ask the ratios. So here we are going to finish this session. Will be followed by PDF. And if any problem, write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.